When torque matters, the right socket makes all the difference. Introducing the ATC34CAT19MM, a 19mm 3/4-inch drive, 12-point socket engineered for Caterpillar MBE and Detroit diesel engines. Built for heavy-duty head bolts and main caps. The 12-point design delivers precise engagement in tight bolt patterns. Precision machined for strength, accuracy, and durability without rounding fasteners. Trusted by professional diesel technicians for rebuilds, maintenance, and critical torque applications. ATC34CAT19MM, built for serious engine work.
Buy now at apexins.com. Apex Tools, built for real technicians.